this one, we're going to be creating an image of a deer. So go back to ChatGPT and then let's ask it to create a prompt for us. So create a prompt for a grown male deer in the jungle or in the forest, whatever, in the jungle with I think with a muddy ground, okay, or with muddy ground. So I want to have mud on the ground or water puddles on the ground. So with muddy ground, and then hit enter. So yeah, hit enter. Then we can go ahead and just rewrite the prompt in one paragraph. Yep. So let's copy our prompt and paste the Firefly. Now, if you try this, you are gonna get different results from mine. So, like I said before, kindly share your results with me. I would love to see what you generate. Okay. Okay, guys, we now have our generations. So we see things incredible generation. I think I boosted up the visual intensity, so we can see from the results that the visual intensity has been boosted up. Looks very visually intense, right? Yeah, and it looks really good actually. So we'll save or the like or add to favorite, whatever. And I want to also generate one more version with the visual intensity just at the middle. Okay, so bring this to the middle, then hit generate. As you can see, we still have the studio light filter added, so it's still having the studio light effect and also the hyper realistic effect. So these are also part of why we have that kind of look, right? So let's see the results we get now and then try removing the studio light and see what we get later on. So these are the results we get with the visual intensity reduced. Okay, images are still good, but as you can see, we now have because of the studio light, we are now having a blend between natural light and studio light in our results, and this actually looks a bit cool. And yeah, it actually looks a bit cool, but let's try getting rid of the studio light. So remove studio light and then hit generate. Yeah guys, so without our studio light, this is the result. It's slightly brighter, okay, with more light, more exposure, okay, and that's the effect we get. That's basically the effect we get. So we'll go ahead and download the image. I'll go ahead and download some of these images. Download. Yeah, I think I'll go with this also. Download. Perfect. Yeah. And with this, we'll come to the end of this exercise. See you in the next one. Bye bye.